Well, I'm taking my cheeky way up the no entry slip here. I can see how else I can get onto the bike path to go north. Well, I'm going to try a slightly different route today. I'm going to start off heading towards the airport and then back into town. But I'm going to divert through Victoria Park. I'm acknowledging that winter is probably over. Spring is almost here. I took my mud guards off. So the bike feels lean and undressed. So that's it for the summer now. And there's the airport at the top of the hill. That doesn't look too steep, but believe me, it is. And this is Charlottetown Airport, the south to north runway. And the airport code name is YYG. To compensate for adding a little bit of extra mileage towards the end of the ride, I've turned off from Brackley Point Road and I'm on this newer section of paved path. And the traffic light crossing over the perimeter highway is already up ahead. I've just left the trail. There's the urban beehives, and I'm heading across Midtown to the east end of Victoria Park. I don't mind riding these roads because the traffic's light. The problem is there's an awful lot of grit, sand and dirt on the shoulder here. And it'll be here until they send the road sweepers out in the spring. There is the Brighton Beach rear range light. It's a lighthouse that lines up with the front range light 2 or 3 minutes ahead of us to show sailors where the deep water channel is when entering Charlottetown Harbour. This is Victoria Park. And back there was the front range light. And the harbour entrance is dead ahead. I love it when Victoria Park is only open to one-way traffic in summer months, and this lane is divided into for biking and walking and roller skating and skateboarding. Well, it comes to an end just up ahead, and I'll find a little way through town, avoiding the roadworks on Water Street. I'll cross over at this junction and then again straight through into Victoria Row. A lot of these timber built houses in town will only have been here since 1866, which is when the so-called Great Fire wiped out hundreds and hundreds of houses. Only the brick ones survived. Over there is what remains of the Maritime Electric Power Station that is steadily being demolished. And I'm going to cross the road and go on the sidewalk until we can pick up the Riverside Drive bike path. That's 18 kilometres today and 54 minutes. Home for a shower.